Welcome to Microlearning of PeopleSoft Technical Tips. In this video, we will learn how to create a dynamic view. Dynamic views can prove to be powerful prompting mechanism when you come across a requirement where the values fetched by the prompt table needs to be changed based on some system variables such as %operator ID or %employee ID. Take a situation where you want to filter the data present in the prompt table based on the logged in user. In this case, you need to use dynamic views as a prompt table. Take a situation where you have an address ID as a field on the page. Your requirement will be to bring up the address IDs for the particular logged in user alone. But if a system administrator logs in, then you should display address IDs corresponding to all the users. In this case, you have to use up dynamic views. The steps should be followed will be as follows. Step 1. Create a record, say prompt DVW, and add necessary fields that need to be prompted. Step 2. Set up the key structure in the way you would like the prompt page to be appeared. Step 3. Save the record as dynamic view type. No need to build or write SQL for these kinds of records. Step 4. In the record field property of the address ID field, set the dynamic view as the prompt table. Step 5. On the appropriate event such as row init and field change, write the following code. The SQLtext property will dynamically act as a view SQL and bring up the corresponding result in the prompt page. You can use a dynamic view to create a dynamic drop-down list, which lists the different sets of values depending on the value retrieved for a field such as ample ID. In the dynamic view, you can use %operator ID to get the value of ample ID from PeopleSoft table, and then you can get a list of distinct values by joining tables in a select SQL. For example, you can create a dynamic record with the department ID field and the description field and use the following sequel. You can then specify the edit table of the drop-down list field to be this dynamic view. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. For more technical tips, check out the full book 500 Tips and Techniques for PeopleSoft Development and Troubleshooting by Sean Chen. Available now on Amazon.